Hello everyone. Right now I will make the chạo tôm, eat Vietnamese style. Before we make this, we have lemongrass and box and shrimp condiment together. Seasoning, we have sugar, ajinomoto, fried season, fish sauce, cloves, and pepper, and a little oil. I take it some time, maybe 5 minutes. It's done already because the meat from the shrimp is well done so fast. You need to waiting for all the hot water it moving go out first. After we take it. Okay. When I see the oil is hot already, I will put this one inside. I need to deep fry when it have the color yellow. I will take it out. This one you need to carrying it. Right now you can look the color is done already. Need to waiting for it 1 minute and you remove all this one go out because it will be done already. Okay, done already. You take it out. Cut the color, it looks good already. Right now I go pick up for the call the food and make the sauce. Right now I go make sauce it together with chạo tôm, with the garlic and chili. I have the water and fish sauce, and sugar. Take this one and mix it. See, look the color of the sauce. It's okay, ready. If you want the color it look better a little, you can put a little carrot. Slice it very thin. I will take the juice from the pineapple. Because the juice from pineapple is sour. It's okay. Okay, done with my sauce already. The last I will grill this my food and you deep fry done. I want to smell that from a little barbecue. Okay, it's done already. Only 1 minute. Now we're done with the chạo tôm already, Vietnamese style. And I hope you can make this at home and enjoy with the family.